Welcome back, house hunters. This week on Discover the Overseas, we're taking a look around Italy at countryside properties all under 50,000 euros, perfect for those wanting to live surrounded by nature and away from big city living. These properties are in small villages, which still have all the essentials and amenities you would need, but without the hustle and bustle of the big city, all while still being close enough to visit when you need to. Over the past year, I've been exploring some of the most exciting property opportunities across Italy, and today I'm thrilled to share a few of the best countryside properties right here. Whether you're looking to get out of the city or just live somewhere with beautiful surroundings and a slower pace of life, one of these properties will fit the bill, all costing less than 50,000 euros. If you're considering living or investing in Italy, make sure to check out my Italy playlist and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes. Now let's dive in and take a look. The first area we will look at is Umbria, often called the Green Heart of Italy. This region is a tapestry of rolling hills, medieval villages, and tranquil countryside. From its stone farmhouses and olive groves to its timeless rhythm of life, Umbria captures the essence of authentic Italian living. Tucked away in the lush Valnarina Valley, Sant'Anatolia di Narco is a village where time seems to slow down. Stone houses line quiet streets scented with rosemary and wildflowers, while olive groves, forests, and the gentle Nera River create a peaceful backdrop. Nearby, medieval villages like Vallo di Nera and Cegano offer charming streets, local cuisine, and riverside cafes. Nature lovers can explore gentle hiking trails, cycle through the hills, or visit the breathtaking Cascata del Marmore waterfall, just half an hour away. History and culture abound too, with ancient abbeys and the nearby town of Spoleto, full of cathedrals, bridges, and timeless charm. The first property is in a beautiful medieval village. The property has been recently renovated, has its own private entrance, and is 40 square meters with a 15 square meter cellar as well. The living room dining room is a good size and has lovely tiles. It also has an independent pellet stove for extra heating. The kitchen is small but lovely and in great condition. The bedroom is a good size with room for wardrobes along the wall. The bathroom is also a good size, with a bidet and full bathtub with a shower. Just outside there is a separate access to the cellar. The cellar has plenty of room for storage or for bicycles. The surrounding area is lush and green and perfect for peace and serenity. Sant'Anatolia di Narco is an amazing area with plenty of restaurants to choose from, as well as plenty of shops to visit in the area. There's a vet, pharmacy, schools, sports center, and golf clubs nearby also. You are also only a 10-minute drive to the magical city of Spoleto, and you can also get there by bus in under 20 minutes. Perfect if there is anything you need that you can't find in town or just for an afternoon out. And if you want to get around Italy or Europe, then there is a train station in Spoleto as well. You can even get to the capital city of Rome in around 2 hours by car, or even in about 2 hours as well by public transport. There is a ski resort close by, you can visit the coast in an hour and a half, there is a hospital nearby, and you can reach Perugia Airport in 40 minutes by car or 2 hours by public transport depending on when you travel. This property is for sale for just 26,000 euros or around $29,000. This is an incredible deal for an apartment in a beautiful village that is ready to live in or use. This would also make a great holiday let for someone wanting to be in the serenity of the mountains or just looking for a peaceful rural retreat with all amenities available. Lombardy, in northern Italy, is a region of striking contrasts, from the bustling streets and iconic canals of Milan to tranquil lakes, rolling hills, and charming villages. Rich in history, art, and natural beauty, it offers a perfect mix of culture, scenery, and authentic Italian life. Perched in the rolling hills of Lombardy, Capizzone is a charming village where life moves at a gentle pace. Narrow streets wind past stone houses and colorful gardens, while the surrounding forests and vineyards offer a peaceful escape. Visitors can explore local history at the Church of San Giorgio, wander the scenic trails of the Valle Magna, or hike up Monte Lenzone for breathtaking views of the Bergamo Valley. Nearby towns like Zogno and Almi offer quaint piazzas, cafes, and regional markets, while seasonal festivals showcase Lombardy's traditions and flavors. Capizzone is the perfect place to experience authentic Italian village life, surrounded by nature and timeless charm. Next up, we have a lovely apartment in the beautiful countryside of around 61 meters squared of space that comes with private parking, a balcony with amazing views, and its own private garden space. First up there is a small but functional kitchen that has everything you need and plenty of cupboard space. The living room is large and bright from the glass French doors, which leads to a large balcony that we will look at in a second. The first room is small and could be used as an office or a kid's room, or maybe a small guest room as well. Then we have the master bedroom, which is big and bright and has plenty of room for wardrobes. The bathroom has nice tiles and a bidet, full bathtub with stand-up shower and large window. Also, there is a small nook there for doing laundry with a sink and washer-dryer. Out on the balcony, we see there is plenty of space for relaxing and soaking in the views. There is even an awning to get a little extra shade on those hot summer days. And there is a separate staircase here giving you your own private access. The surrounding area is green and beautiful. And just below you, there is your garden plot, perfect for growing some vegetables or even a flower garden for relaxing in. The building itself is in great condition and has been looked after. Capizzone is a beautiful place with many restaurants in the area and plenty of shops as well. There are pharmacies, vets, schools, a sports center, gyms, and golf clubs nearby. If you are wanting a day out or some time in the city, then the wonderful city of Bergamo is only a 30-minute drive, or you can get there in around an hour by bus. You can also get to the beautiful city of Lecco and onto Lake Como in an hour by car, or around 2.5 hours by bus. You can even visit the bustling hub of Milan in around an hour and 15 minutes by car, or around 2 hours by public transport. There is a ski resort very close by, and you can get to the coast in around 2.5 hours. A hospital nearby, the nearest train station is just 10-15 minutes away, and you can get to the airport just outside of Bergamo in 30 minutes as well. This property is for sale for 39,000 euros or around $44,000. This is an incredible deal for a property in such an amazing location, close to the lakes and major cities, but out in the countryside. This could make a great holiday let as well, due to its location and its beautiful surroundings and ease of access. Nestled at the foot of the Alps, Piedmont is a region of rolling hills, vineyards, and charming medieval villages. Known for its rich cuisine, fine wines, and breathtaking mountain landscapes, It offers a perfect blend of culture, nature, and authentic Italian life. Tucked high in the Valsesia Valley of Piedmont, Boccioleto is a village that feels suspended in time, with stone houses, narrow lanes, and surrounding forests and mountains. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore hiking and biking trails, ski in the winter, or enjoy riverside walks along the sparkling Sesia River. Nearby villages like Spoleto and Rasa offer historic streets, charming churches, and traditional Piedmontese cuisine. Seasonal festivals showcase local crafts and food, giving visitors a true taste of alpine life. Boccioleto is the perfect place to slow down, breathe in crisp mountain air, and soak up the serene beauty of northern Italy. Our final property today is set in a beautiful mountainside area with around 100 meters squared of space, a lovely large terrace, an attic, and cellar. The terrace is large, perfect for having family and friends around to relax outdoors. Inside, there is a large kitchen area with a dining table and space to sit, as well as a log burner. Through the other room is a wooden-cladded living room, which feels warm and natural with a fireplace and has space for a dining table as well. Next up is the first bedroom, which looks like the walls could use a little painting, but it is a big room. Then we have the second bedroom, which has lovely wooden floors, is a big space, and has wooden wardrobes along the wall. The tiled bathroom has a stand-up shower with a seat and a bidet, and fits the washer-dryer in there as well. The top floor has a pretty decent-sized attic space as well, perfect for storage. And down below the ground floor is a very large cellar as well. This area has potential to become extra rooms and increase the size of the living space by quite a bit. Or it could continue to be used as storage. Outside, there is your own garden space where you could grow some vegetables or flowers to enjoy sitting outside. This is a great area as well, with restaurants around and many shops nearby. You can drive to the beautiful Lake Orta in under an hour, although there aren't good public transport links to there. You can even get to the amazing Lake Maggiore in just over an hour by car for a beautiful day out on the second largest lake in Italy. You can also get to the beautiful city of Turin in 2 hours by car. You can also get to the major city of Milan for some world-class shopping in under 2 hours by car. There is a ski resort around the corner. You can get to the coast in around 2.5 hours, and the nearest train station is around 20 minutes away, and the Milano Malpensa airport is just an hour and a half away by car. This property is for sale for just 49,000 euros, or around $56,000, which is an incredible deal for a countryside property so close to amazing nature and the lakes. This could make a great holiday let as well for someone looking for peace and serenity and natural surroundings. Which of these beautiful countryside retreats in Italy would you buy? Was it the charming one-bedroom apartment in Sant'Anatolia di Narco, or the spacious rural house in Boccioleto? Share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every week, and if you're craving more Italian dream homes, check out my other videos right here. Until next time, happy house hunting!